Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. So today in this video, I'll be talking with you guys about a very interesting application with the help of which you can order groceries from your nearby departmental stores directly to your home within a matter of few minutes. So if you're not able to go out of your home, and if you're so lazy that you don't like to go out of your home to get the items from the nearby departmental stores, then this app is made exactly for you. So today in this video, I'll give you a complete tutorial of this application and how you can use it. So as you can see, I'm using an Android smartphone, and the first thing that you have to do is to go to the Google Play Store. When we go to the Google Play Store, in the search box, just type Dunzo. So Dunzo is the app with which you can get the groceries delivered from your nearby departmental stores directly at your doorstep. So we'll install this application and we'll get back. So this app has been successfully downloaded on our Android smartphone. Now we'll go ahead and open this app. So as you can see, this is the application, guys, Dunzo, and just open the app. So this is the boot animation of the Dunzo application. It says it needs to access your location. Just click on allow. And you have to enter your phone number and get your device OTP verified before starting this application. So once you have entered the OTP that you got to your mobile number, it says sign in successful, and it sets up the Dunzo application for you. It will take a couple of minutes time. Just have some patience. As you can see, once the setup process has been successfully completed, it says the location is getting detected on your Dunzo application, and your location will be shown over here. And this is the main home screen interface of the Dunzo app, guys. And then it says what are the things that you can get from the nearby stores is present over the main home screen interface. And if you want to eat some biryani or something, you can order. And if you want to drink buttermilk, and if you want to eat some paneer burji, so these are basically the eatery things that is present. And now if you are ordering some fruits or vegetables, and if I want to order from the different departmental stores like Nilgiri Supermarket, Good Morning Supermarket, Freshco's, and Spar Hypermarket, these are different nearby stores that is present near to my home. This is the restaurant. Like if you want to order food from the nearby restaurant, this is where you can order. Just click on restaurant and the list of restaurants will be presented to you. It says recipe is one restaurant, cake zone, frozen bottle. So different restaurants are presented to me, and whichever restaurant I feel like ordering from, or whichever food I want to eat, I can just click on that particular restaurant and then order food directly from that restaurant using this app. And if you want to order daily grocery, I can just click on daily grocery, and the daily grocery tab will be opened. As you can see, some different grocery stores near me will be presented to me, and I want to order something from Nilgiri Supermarket. Just click on that. And if I want to order something like Nilgiri's butter murku, and if I want to order something like a peanut bar or something, I can just go to food provisions, and if I want to order some Maggi or something, I can just click on add, and Maggi will be in my cart. And if I want to order top ramen, I can order that as well. If I want to order something else, milk, just click on milk, and it says milk and all, and the different milk products that is present in this particular shop. As you can see, search in Nilgiri Supermarket, milk products are present. I want to order Nandini milk, just click on add. I want to order Cadbury chocolate, I'll just click on add. 57 rupees is the rate of the items that I have added, and I can just click on continue. The delivery charges will be around 30 rupees for the amount of order that you have placed. Different delivery charges will be levied. If you are placing order from a far restaurant, then obviously the delivery charges will be more, and if you are placing an order from a nearby restaurant, the delivery charges will be less. As you can see, these are the items that I have ordered, and just I can click and add on new address and then directly book. And you can make a payment online itself. And if you are having a pet, that also is present over here. Pet supplies, it will show a list of pet stores nearby to your place where you can order your food or any type of products for your puppy or any of your pet. You have another options like Dunzo Cash that is present over here, which is basically like a wallet, guys. The more you use this Dunzo Cash or some wallet that is presented by Dunzo, you can get more rewards, something like that. If you want to order medicines, you can do that as well. Just click on medicine, and whichever pharmacy store that is present nearby to you, you can just click on that. Just go to Apollo Pharmacy. Let's consider you want some protein powder. So you want some protein powder, and you just click on that and see it says whey protein powder, and you can directly add from that particular pharmacy as well. For this process to work properly, your GPS and your location has to be turned on so that it will detect your home's location or the place from where you're ordering, and it will deliver to your home as fast as possible. hope you guys might have liked this video and learned something from this video. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and if you have still not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you have to hit that subscribe button, as we are your source for all the latest updates, tips, tricks, softwares, applications, and a lot of things in diverse and in detail related to technology. Thank you for watching, guys.